Hello, Mickey. Back. Yeah, you want to go out, I know. Nope. You stayed out late twice this week. And that means you are grounded. Asili? What? Why don't you play with McMac? He's grounded. Okay? Why don't you play with him? Look at him. Look at that lonely face. Oh, he looks so miserable. McMac? Mickey. You gonna try and stare me down? You can't do it. No. Ha! See? I win. Oh yeah, like you don't care about that game now. You're a sore loser, McMac. Asili? Come here. Asili. Asa. What's the matter with Asa? You're so quiet, Mickey. Why are you so quiet? Are you pouting? What are you doing, Asili? That's Mogi's spot. Can't buy any more books because it's Mogi's little, Okay, see you later. McMac? Mickey. Look, this hurts me as much as it hurts you. I'd love to see you outside romping around. What? You have to learn a lesson. There's some bad guys out there called coyotes. I've got something to occupy you with. Hang on. Do you guys know this sound? You know what I'm doing? The stash. Oh yeah. Oops, there we are. Oh, he goes right towards that little carpet. That's where we put the catnip. And the carpeting in the house. Okay? And McMac, you're a hardcore user, right? You don't need the carpet. And guess who's going to be vacuuming this evening? That's it? It is so nice not to have Mogi in the house. He takes over whenever there's catnip. He's kind of an angry drunk. These guys are just really mellow. He gets stoned and he starts pushing everybody away. You wouldn't think such a meek little guy would be like that, but, you know, addiction changes everybody. That's it, Mickey? Yeah, just a little aperitif, huh? Okay, Bumby wants to come in. Better go.